uchaguzi wa amani na tumerudi na tunafanya kazi kwa sasa. Rais William Ruto, wewe ni shujaa wetu. Your Excellency, our President, you are a true hero because you have taught us and you have shown us that the world belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. That today these children can dream to be anybody that they can be in this world. That their dreams are not limited by the imagination of their teachers or by the success of their parents. Thank you for being a hero to all of us as Kenyans. As I conclude, Your Excellency, this morning, I saw Her Excellency, the First Lady, tweeted a quote that I really like. She quoted our founding father, Jomo Kenyatta, and said that while our fathers might have been heroes of the past, our work is to be architects of the future. While we acknowledge and are grateful for what was done before, Your Excellency, may this event, may today's celebration give you the perspective to see behind, to look back to history,